Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? So today's interview question is: a colleague accidentally deletes the Terraform state file. How would you recover and ensure no resources are recreated? So accidentally, your file got deleted, and you want to recover and don't want to recreate the resource. And obviously, you don't want to recreate the resource because, you have created S3 buckets, EC2 instance, and so many other resources. And again, and you have configured it, database created, and if you have to recreate them again, that's not the right way because it will take a lot of efforts, etc. So you want to restore that Terraform state file. So what will be the process? So I have here already created one bucket, Terraform demo example bucket, and this is the bucket I have created. And I have executed Terraform init, Terraform plan, and Terraform apply. So bucket got created. Now they said colleague accidentally deleted. So I will just delete this file. So this file got deleted now. Okay. Now what I will do, this Terraform state file is deleted. And if I try to run Terraform plan, what happens? And I search in internet, like I saw different answers. So I will show you what is the right answer. Uh, Here, see, it shows that plan want to add. So it's already there. Since it's not there in the state file, it's assuming that it's not there. So it's comparing state versus the actual that configuration file. And in state is not there. In configuration, bucket is there. So it's assuming that it has to be created. This bucket has to be created. Okay. Now, in one of the cases, like one answer I saw that if you do Terraform refresh, it will create the Terraform state file. And then you'll be able to run Terraform plan and Terraform apply. So let's see whether that works or not. Okay, here Terraform, it's saying Terraform refresh. Okay, it executed. So it's created some Terraform kf state file. Now if I run Terraform plan, it says want to add a zero to change, zero to destroy. So it did not work. If I can show you if I run Terraform apply, you will see that you will see the error. So what happened? Now question is what happened? I ran Terraform refresh. It created state file. So what was the issue? Why it did not work? Can you write your answer in the comment below? And if you give correct answer, then I will publish that in my LinkedIn page and also the host challenge page, and I will give a shout out to you. Your name I will publish on that page. Okay. So this is a question for you. Figure it out. What is the reason? Okay. So Terraform refresh did not work. Now, mm, okay. So what should be the right way to do it? Like Terraform state file is not there. So right way to do it is to import it. Okay, import it. Import the resource. So what I will do, I will import it. Import Terraform. Import AWS S3 bucket dot Terraform demo bucket, and the bucket name is this one. This bucket already there. Terraform created this bucket. Now someone has deleted this state file by mistake accidentally. And now how do I restore it back? How can I let Terraform know that it's already there? So to let Terraform know it's already there, it's import. You can import existing resource. And then we'll also discuss one important thing, how to avoid this situation in future. So it's already imported. If I run Terraform plan, let's say what happens, import is successful. Here also it's been refresh state and import successful. Here some refresh state happen and import successful happen. But why earlier refresh did not work? So let me know your answer. I'm looking for your answer, and the first correct answer I will publish. Okay, no change in infrastructure matches the configuration. So there is no issue. It worked successfully. And even if I do Terraform apply, it will say that zero added, zero destroyed, zero clear, updated, etc. Right? So there won't be any error as such. Okay, so zero added, zero change, zero destroyed. So I was able to successfully import that. Now let's okay. So a colleague accidentally deletes the Terraform state file. How would you recover it and ensure no resources are created? So the first thing is check for state backup. Sometimes in the folder you may see Terraform tf state dot backup. Okay. Sometimes you may see that dot backup file is there. You can rename it and you can import it. Means you can restore the state. Uh, if you just rename Terraform dot tf dot backup to Terraform dot tf state, that should be enough, and then run Terraform plan and see what happens. If you have some remote backend, then if it is a remote backend is there, restore from remote backend. Terraform refresh, it won't work. So this is not the right answer. Okay. So I will delete this one. As you have seen, that Terraform refresh doesn't work. And then Terraform import resources individually. This one worked. Like I showed you for the S3 bucket, like for EC2 instance, therefore import AWS instance dot example and then the instance ID. Okay. And after that, after importing, you can verify the current state, Terraform plan, and Terraform apply. Now, how to avoid this in future? What are the different steps you can take to avoid this in future? The first thing, you can have remote backend with versioning. So if you have versioning, remote backend like AWS S3 or Azure Blob Storage or Google Cloud Storage, and if you have versioning, then this allows you to recover previous version if the file is accidentally modified or deleted. So enabling versioning is one option. Second option could be say like the it's not that they are exclusive. You enable versioning. You also you can do role-based access control. Don't give delete permission to everyone. Only admin or only the person who is managing it, they should have access. You can create IAM policies in AWS. Okay, role-based access in Azure. Right? So you can create that kind of policy. IAM policy you can create and give a specific user roles for history get object, put object for state file access. And then what else you can do? You can give storage account a suitable, easily identifiable name. Don't give some generic name, my storage or my backend or test backend, that kind of thing. And just give proper name like this. A Terraform state prod, right? Terraform state prod, do not delete, or Terraform state import prod important. So people know that it's a production thing. It's very important. You can't just like that delete it, right? So give some meaningful name. That is also important. So take this as a secondary measure for easier management. And then apply data protection like soft delete and snapshot. So you can enable soft delete, right? If it gets deleted, it will be there in the trash for maybe 15 days or 1 month. And after 1 month, it will be automatically deleted. So if it gets deleted by mistake, and definitely like you will get some error, someone will notice within few days, and then you'll be able to restore it back from your uh, like a sub deleted folder, like a trash or whatever, right? So you'll be able to recover it. And then you can use bucket object log with governance model. Uh, there are different kind of policies you can apply on the S3 bucket. Then you can apply like S3 bucket. There will be policies that do not allow delete, do not allow this, deny delete, etc. Right? Then apply tags. You can apply some tags, meaningful tags to the bucket, like environment equal to production, purpose equal to Terraform state management. So give some meaningful tag, but it doesn't prevent, but it will help. Like more you give the meaningful name visibility, it will help people, right? People will be able to see, notice, right? So it won't stop you deleting, but these are the good measures, right? If you document, if you let people know, these are the other things also. Let people know that these are the important things you should not delete it, right? That is also another way, communication with the team collaboration. Then apply resource lock. They apply resource lock like AWS bucket policies with explicit deny policy for deletion operation. So explicitly deny, put deny rules for S3 bucket as you delete log, read only log. So these kind of things you can do. So these are things we discussed. We can again just to go back, rewind the video and revisit again. So what are the steps we can take to avoid it? So this is also another important interview question. And this is the question I put on my LinkedIn Devops Challenge page. Every day I put some daily challenges. And so let me give the answer. So which of the following is not a best practice to safeguard Terraform state file? A. Enable bucket versioning in remote backend like this. This is a good practice. Use soft delete or snapshot for remote backend. This is also a good one. Restrict access to state file using RPC. This is also important. Store the state file in a network. Okay, this is not the one. Give a storage account is suitable, easily identifiable name. Right. So store the state file in a network drive is not the best practice to safeguard Terraform state file. Why? Because security risk is there. It's vulnerable for various threats. Unauthorized access can be there. Data breaches can happen. Data loss can happen. It is shared access. Anyone can go and delete it. Right? Option ABC, they are the right ones, like set up RBAC, road-based access control, soft delete, so that it doesn't get immediately deleted after 10, 15 days or 1 month, it gets deleted. Remote backend with versioning on S3 bucket, you can have. You can revert back to older version always. Easily identifiable storage account names also a good one, so that you can, by looking at the name, you know that it's important bucket. Right? So these are the important techniques you can use. Hope you like the video and please like it, please share it. That will motivate me to create more such videos. And please provide any of your feedback. And don't forget to answer that question that why refresh did not work. And I will, if you give the correct answer, I will post your name on my LinkedIn page, okay, on Devops Challenger. And don't forget to follow my LinkedIn page and WhatsApp channel because I conduct daily quiz and contest also, and you can take participate and win some prizes. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe the channel, all the channels. Okay, thank you for watching the video.